Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're doing fantastic this week. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into the community feature in ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, specifically, today we're going to be talking about the new feature that was just released around the ability for your customers and people within your community to go in and update their custom profiles, which basically means that they can go in and update their profile to include things like social media, their website, custom name. They can go in and customize their picture through Gravatar, stuff like that. It's all within community now and is available for your customers. So let's head over to my screen here. I'll show you where they can find all this stuff and how people can go about updating their profiles. Now, there's two ways. Technically, the first way is if you're already in the community, you can go over here and click on your name, and from there it'll show on the right hand side your profile. Right now there's not really much going on for mine, but if I want to adjust that or edit the profile, I can click on this guy right here and it'll take me directly to the settings that we need to actually go in to adjust. All right, so first off at the top we have personal information, all right, with first name, last name, phone number if you want to add that. If you want to go in and update your image through Gravatar, click on this guy right here. It'll take you to the right spot, or take your member in this case to the right spot. But below that, we're going to see the community profile. This is where we can go and update the bio, or they can. You can update their bios. They can add their Facebook, their Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and a website URL for the public to basically see. Right. So as an example, if we go over here and type in repairmyfunnel.com. And save that, technically that should show up on the live view. Oh my God. All right, well, we get to see this live. Looks like we're running into an error right there. Did it save it? It did not save it. Let's try it one more time. It doesn't like when I update that. Interesting. Okay, went in and dug into that issue. Essentially, I was just getting caching errors. When I loaded this up in an incognito window, it seemed to work just fine. If you haven't tested this a bunch on your end, likely you're not going to run into the same issue, so you should be good. But if you do run into the same issue, go to an incognito window, then try from there. It seemed to work on my end. Okay, with the profile updated, if you go back to community here, and click on my profile, we should see that the new feed is showing there. So I only updated my URL or a website there, but if I want to go back and add more, I definitely can. So back to edit profile and say, hey, what's up everyone? You are awesome. Right, something like that. Nope, maybe I should spell it correctly. Something like that. And I'm going to leave the other ones blank. I'm going to leave it just as it is, and just with those two fields filled in. All right, from there, let's update the profile again. See if it gives me any errors. No errors. Okay, we can see that our actual community bio is also showing here. The website URL is still there. If we go back to community, go ahead and click on the name again, and it looks like the bio is there. It's updated, which is fantastic, and these social links that we have in place are still there. So anyways, that was the first way you can go ahead and adjust this. You can technically just do that over and over again if you want to. Click on a name, go to edit profile. But there's another way, which is if you go over here to the top right, you're going to see an option for your initials. Click on that directly. From there, click on my account, and it'll take you to this screen right here. All right. At this point, click on manage account, and then it'll show you that exact same page. Basically, it's a few extra steps, but there's a few different ways to achieve the same thing. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions around this stuff at all, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next video.